In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to my Service Canada account or MSCA. So you can do so by signing in into your account. You can sign in through Interact Sign-In Partner. You can also use your GCKey username and password, or you can also sign in using your provincial sign-in via BC and AB only. So right here, to sign in, you can choose which one you want to sign in method. I'll choose right here this GCKey username and password. And once you have clicked on any method, you should be able to be redirected to their respective pages wherein you will be asked for your details. On this case, they will ask for my username and password. Just input right here your username and password, and after that, proceed to sign in. So if on some cases that your actual password or username is incorrect, you have the option to forgot your username or forgot your password, and so you can reset them altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.